Well, I'm ready for my open house. The welcome committee is ready on their post. So this is when you come in. There you can see two little paintings of mine in frames. More paintings. This is me, cheers, with my coffee. So, all the things I've created the last couple of months and years. Gratitude journals, little scrolls. There you can see my new cards. Flowers, slow stitching, bowls. There are my things that you can put presents in, my gift bags with the cards. There are some paintings, A1 paintings, more gratitude journals and little books. My handmade papers, look that beautiful. And there you can see hubby made me the gratitude journal, a journey to your creative heart. Isn't it awesome? Just look how beautiful they look on that. Little journals made of 1961 papers. It's just awesome. There are my cushions I made. Slow stitching, jelly plate prints. All my other A4 little paintings. Then I thought all my clothing, this is a jacket I created, and this is jig. The flowers I made with jig. There's my Joseph Technicolor dream coat. That was one of the first things I creative sew. By creative sewing, my latest dress. Night dress or dress, I don't know. My other one, there it is. Oh man, all my other clothes. All of them that I created over the last couple of years. There's, remember, my eco dye top. All my other vintage tops. That skirt I created. My denim jacket I painted. And Charlie wants to play. And there you can see some of my crochet thingies. Oh, I don't know if you've ever seen this. Look at that beautiful painting. A girl dancing. It's done on music sheet. I just love that. And that is done from a photograph my son took. It's me and my dogs and then my daughter-in-law walking on our beach, isn't it? Oh, lovely, lovely. So this is it. I just thought I'm going to show you. Ouch. So now I'm ready for the people. It's about 2:45. Look at my beautiful flowers out of my garden. My little woman who tells me to enjoy life is still swinging. There are some more paintings. So this is me. This is it. There they can see my handmade vintage things in front of the window. That is it. Well, love you lots. Let me show you. You haven't seen this. These are my A1 acrylic paintings I did years back. Look at the little donkey. Yes, I absolutely love donkeys. Just a large pot with flowers. flowers. I just love how her flowers came out. Oh, gorgeous. This is one of my favorites. I just love it. And then that got a story. I saw a photo of this and I just love it. It's two older people looking at their young selves kissing. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, well. So the coffee is brewing. I got some muffins. And look there, my doggies are ready. Now I just need to get a tablecloth to throw over my little blue table and chairs. And then that's it. Love you lots. Is it from Zetster's Lab?